Hey guys! Welcome back to Japanese by Chunking、今日は朝から、髪の毛を切ってきたんですが、この辺をちょっと短くして I think it looks better, no? I like it、ということで、今日は前のビデオに引き続き、日本語のきの続きを勉強したいと思います。So today we're going to talk about Japanese ki that I talked on my last video, and I gave you a few examples of how to use words or phrases that use ki. And I picked up 11 more sentences, so we can go through each one of them, and I will give you some example sentences to show how they are used. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we talked about Japanese ki on my last video, and I gave you a few examples of how to use phrases that use ki. And today I'd like to give you a few more examples and how it's being used. And I looked it up actually on the internet how many phrases that use ki exist, and there were up to 93 different phrases that use ki. And today I picked up 11 of them, and I'd like to share that with you today. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, the first one is 気が合う。気が合う。私ね、会社の同僚の陽子さんととっても気が合って、週末には一緒に買い物も行ったりするんだ。I get along with my colleague, Yoko, so well, and we even go out for shopping on the weekend together. 僕、友達の翔太くんとはとても気が合い、趣味まで一緒なんだ。I get along with my friend Shota, and we even have the same hobby. 気が多い。気が多い。A person who has too many interests, or a person who flirts a lot. A curious person. 気が多い。ほんとさ、タロって気が多くて、いつも違う女の子とばっかり話してるんだ。Taro sure is a flirt, and he is always talking about different girls. うちの子はほんと気が多くて、先週ピアノのレッスンを始めたと思ったら、来月から英会話まで始めたいって。気が重い。気が重い。When you feel down or when you feel unmotivated to do something. 明日は大きなテストがあるんだ。勉強していないし、気が重いよ。I have a big test tomorrow. I haven't really studied, and I feel unmotivated. お母さんが病気で入院することになったんだ。これから気が重くなるな。My mother needs to be in the hospital for a while because of her illness. I'm a little depressed about that. 気が利く。気が利く。thoughtful, sensible, and considerate. うちの嫁は私が家に帰るとちゃんといつも夕食を準備して待ってくれている。気が利く嫁だ。My wife always has dinner ready for me when I get home. She is very thoughtful. 田中さんってコピー機使った後、ちゃんと紙を足しといてくれるから気が利くよね。Mr. Tanaka always puts more papers in the copy machine after he uses it. He is very considerate to others. So this 気が利く is described as keeping others in mind and do something, or to predict that they may need something and act beforehand, or preemptive action. So this is described as 気が利く。気が済む。To feel satisfied, or to have a peace of mind. それで気が済むなら思う存分いいな。If that makes you feel good, say whatever you want to say. それで気が済むなら思う存分いいな。If it makes you feel good, say whatever you want to say. どれだけ私のことを傷つければ気が済むの？ How much do you have to hurt me before you stop? So this means, how much does it take for you to feel satisfied enough before you stop hurting me? 気が進まない。気が進まない。To feel lazy, don't feel like doing, and this is similar to 気が重い。ああ、もう英語の勉強嫌だな。難しいからほんと気が進まないよ。Man, I really hate studying English. I really don't feel like studying because it's so difficult. 明日は会議のため東京まで朝早くから行かないといけないから気が進まないな。I have to go all the way to Tokyo early tomorrow morning for a meeting. I'm really not feeling it. 気が小さい。This means timid, shy, or easily scared. 弟は気が小さいから夜中に一人でトイレも行けないんだ。My little brother is so timid, so he can't even go to the bathroom alone at night. 弟は気が小さいから夜中に一人でトイレも行けないんだ。My little brother is so timid, so he can't even go to the bathroom alone at night. 私は気が小さい方だから人前で話すのは苦手なんだ。I'm sort of a shy person, so I'm really not good at public speaking. 気が散る。To be off the track or distracted. ちょっと音下げてくれる？勉強中なの。気が散るでしょ？ Hey, turn down the volume, yeah? I'm studying right now. You're distracting me. 勉強中にテレビをつけていると気が散るのでテレビは消した方がいい。Having the TV on while you are studying makes you distracted, so you should turn it off. 気がない。To have no interest or indifferent. So opposite of this is 気がある。So 気がない、気がある。ずっとあの子にアタックしてるんだけど、なんか気がないみたい。I've been asking her out, but she isn't interested in me. I've been asking her out, but she isn't interested in me. 日本語を勉強する気がない。I have no interest in studying Japanese. 気が抜ける。After a tense situation ended and you feel relaxed, sodas become flat, running out of steam. And this is similar to 気が散る。気が抜ける。気が散る。コンサート直前にキャンセルになって気が抜けた。Right before the concert, it just got cancelled for unknown reasons. I feel let down. ビールの栓を開けっぱなしにしておいたら気が抜けた。I left the cap off the beer bottle and it got flat. 気が早い。 So this is translated as impatient, be hasty, to be easily excited. But I think this translation is not quite correct. I will give you an example and explain. リカさん、昨日バケーションから帰ったばっかりなのに、もう来年の計画を立ててるよ。気が早いよね。So Rika just came back from vacation, but she is already planning next year's vacation. So someone who cannot wait to do things at appropriate time, or who has to do things very early. So that person is 気が早い. So 気が早い is could be translated as impatient. I think it's a little bit different from impatient or hasty. So someone who gets too excited and who has to do things like so early or like right away. So somebody who has to do things right away. 気が早い人. So you can say 気が早い人 also. Okay, so that's it for today. How was all these key phrases? Is there any phrase that you can use in your life? See you next time. 先週ピアノのレッスンを始めたと思ったら来月から英会話まで始めたいって。
Ich bin da.
My Siri just responded.
Ja, bitte.
And it's in German. Hello. Hello Siri. Wie geht's? Hallo Siri. Wie geht's?
Schönen Nachmittag, Louis.
Wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir?
Wenn es mir noch besser ginge, würden Vitamine mich einnehmen.
Ah, sehr gut. Tschüss. I don't know why it came on, but okay. Or to be easily excited.
Das kann ich leider nicht, Louis, aber du kannst das in den Einstellungen selbst machen.
Das kann ich leider nicht, Ryoji, aber du kannst das in den Einstellungen selbst machen. She's talking to me again.